So here I am, living in the jungle in Costa Rica. This amazing room here, no windows, just where the glass would be, mosquito netting to make sure at night one sleeps soundly and safely without any fear of the mosquitoes coming in and giving you a miserable night. Here's the view from my window into the rainforest. And these properties are put up on stilts for when the rain comes. It comes very heavily, and there can be 2 or 3 feet of water down below where there's now dry leaves. Out there are also poisonous snakes and these little red frogs who are the size of a fingernail but can give a nasty bite. And here's some pictures of them on the wall. But there is civilization. Here's my bathroom. It's Nowacki, live in the jungle in Costa Rica.